Hello and welcome to TNR Sales and Sublet, where we're looking at park models today. We're going to be looking at a Fairmont Country Manor, and its designation is a 100176S. Its MSRP is $86,795, and without further ado, let's go check it out. It's a drop loft, so you'll see what that means when we get inside. Bedroom in the back, extra air conditioner in the loft. It's a nice blue and white trailer. It's a pretty dark blue. You can either ask me about 20179, or again, it's a Country Manor 100176S. So let's go on in and have a look around. All these trailers come fully furnished. This is a front kitchen, and I think this will be the next trailer sold. That's how nice this trailer is. 5-burner stove, Farmy sink, movable table. Yes, that table moves, watch. Okay, movable table, front kitchen. You've been asking for it. And Country Manor delivers. Holy smokes, is this a nice trailer. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, because if I don't get some more subscribers, I might not make very many more videos. Got adjustable shelving. You got plank flooring throughout the entire main floor. Coat rack when you first come in. That's pretty clever. Nice big bathroom with the window and a flush toilet and shower with glass doors. Nice tall shower. It's a shower only. I love this trailer. It's a little bit of a desk / storage area. There's the bedroom. Nice big closet. King bed. Shelving. Mini blinds on every window. It's nice down here. The step down into the master bedroom gives some extra headroom in the loft. Could fit at least a 60-inch TV there, I'm sure. I wouldn't choose one quite that large. Let's look behind the panel here. There's your power panel. And it is definitely a 2023. And it's unit number 100176S. That's its designation. It's a Fairmont Country Manor. Look at this loft. You want to see something cool? How cool is that? Got your own air conditioner. Got your own closet. Your own entertainment center. Howdy. There's the loft area. It's nice to have that step down. You can almost stand up over there. Okay, so this is the end of my latest video. Hope you enjoyed it. So you got master bedroom, probably sleep 5 people or so upstairs. Sleeper sofa, nice little sectional, well thought out, nice coffee table, fireplace, stainless appliances. Yeah. Five burner stove, all Whirlpool. See what all we got here. Nice self-closing cabinet. Okay, well, I'm gonna head out for my next video.